Hi again. This is our Blackboard class website that I'm hoping all of you have already been into. And just wanted to show you a couple of things. You're going to notice that you have the name of the course on the left and announcements. Announcements are going to always be on the first page that you get to unless you've made a change to that. I've posted your syllabus here, as many of you have already seen. There's also a little introduction video that's posted under the syllabus link now that tells you a little bit more about the syllabus. My faculty information is listed here. I'm going to put all of our course documents that we're using. So if you look under course documents, you're going to see week 1. And week 1 has listed there any of the files that I had, PDF files that were associated with the videos that I asked you to watch during week 1. And so whenever I have any kind of files that I'm using for either a demonstration or if they're part of videos that you watch, or just any material that I want you to have that's not an assignment, those will be listed for you under the course documents, and they'll be listed by week. Also with assignments, those will also be listed by week, and you will find those very clearly marked, and if you click on whatever week we're in, you're going to see what you have to do for that particular week. So for example, this week you had to do an introductions discussion board, and you'll notice it says when it's due. Everything in this course, I'll say everything, pretty much everything, is due by Tuesday at noon. And the reason that I choose Tuesday at noon is because when you choose dates over a weekend, a lot of times I'm out all day on a Saturday if my kids have soccer games or things like that, and I don't get to email. And so if you're stuck or you have questions, I don't want things due on Saturdays when I may not be as available. Same thing with Sundays. And so what I do is try to do it somewhere during the middle of the week, so that if you do have a crisis or something happens or internet goes down or whatever it is, we do have some time when I'm clearly in my office or available via email, that you can get in touch with me and talk with me about it. Please make sure, if you're not going to get something submitted, that you talk to me before that due date. I'm really a pretty reasonable person if it's a good reason why you couldn't get something turned in, but I am not really reasonable if I hear from you on Friday and say, I meant to call you or I meant to get in touch with you, I never got a chance, can I turn it in now? I'm not really as reasonable about those things. Just let me know ahead of time. You'll notice then you have a second assignment, which is to respond to the week 1 discussion board, and that one does have an earlier date for you to post your initial posting, and then you have to post to at least 2 of your classmates by the following week. So you may have on discussion boards, you want to always check those dates, because sometimes they do have a little bit earlier date for your initial post. Then you just had some videos that you need to watch, but all of your assignments will be listed under assignments and by week. Discussion boards are here. You can also always go in and see your grades. So if you click on my grades, you're going to see I will post all of your grades in Blackboard. So at any point you can see what you've scored on a particular assignment. If you have any questions, you can always get in touch with me. If you look at tools, there is a way under tools. If you click, there's a myriad of options there, but over on the right, which is not in your screen right now, but over to the right under tools, you're going to see send email, and you can send email directly that way as well. I'll be back shortly with a few other videos to explain a little bit more about your assignments.